At this time, get your guns out.
Please repeat his
Remove the
command.
magazine from your firearm and stow it somewhere.
Throw the magazine.
Rack the slide and see the round come out of the gun. Rack your slide 5 times. When you did that, no round should have come out of your gun. At this time, build a good two-handed grip and present it to something like a target. Press a perfect trigger. At this time, holster a dead gun. Is everyone holstered?
Stay facing forward. Just put your hands up, please.
Awesome. All right, guys, put your hands down. Here's the deal.